Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. Today is Saturday morning, making this video about gold. So let's get it started. This is the gold monthly chart I made sometimes a long time ago, and I'm following this as a main guideline and doing internally from 4 hour chart and my Renko charts and all of that. So this is like black count 1, 3, 4, and then wave 5 should be ending somewhere here, and this wave 5 of 5 getting extended. So where the heck is gonna end? Well, time will tell, right? So this is just a major guideline. So what's happening internally? I'm watching it from like a 4 hour chart and my Renko charts, 500 box size and 1,000 box size. So let me show you a couple of charts that I made a video yesterday as well, right? So that's exactly what happened what I said yesterday. But let me show you anyway. So this is one of the chart I made 14th May. Right, so this is like internally what's happening, gold H4. So this was like some kind of correction I saw. I felt like this is like ABC and then maybe a little bit more to the downside, maybe hit the TL, and then it will eventually go there, 23% percent line of this fib, which will come around like maybe 33.70 or 75, something like that, right? So that was the ultimate target from here to here. Similarly, I made another chart. Well, actually, what happened is that it dropped here a little bit and it came very close to the pivot. I mean, not pivot, the trend line, and then it bounced and it came back and then supported with this on this yellow line. And then I made another chart which is like this. You see that it bounced from here and then it came back and this 3167. This is what 3167 line is. 3168. Well, right. So so this is exactly what happened. It went up, it came down, and I made this chart that okay, it is going to get support here, and that's exactly again 61%, and it's going to go back to 23% line. But first, it has to bypass this 61% of this drop, right? So first target was this 61% of this drop, and then second was this 33.70. 71, something like that, right? 23% line. So now the prices start to go to the upside. And what happened? This is what happened. So I made this chart on the 20th. Then, it's like, okay, the internal, more internal waves, right? This could be wave 1 and 2 or A or B, and going for 3 or C, which we have 5 subwaves usually, right? So that's 1, 2, and then probably we're going to finish wave 3 here, and then, dip a little bit for wave 4, and then wave 5 ending 33.70, somewhere there, the 23% line. So what happened again on my now from there on, I also made my Renko 1000 box size chart, Renko candles, and showing this almost the same thing that this is 1 or A, 2 or B, and then C would be here, the target for the C, 127 expansion, or once target for 3, wave 3 would be, in this way, it is coming like 33.65, right? The other way it was coming like 33.70, but that's the area. So I said, okay, if you pull the fib from here to here, that 61% is coming here, but also 78% is coming around this area. So this might be the target, right? If it continue to go to the upside. But internally, you can see here that this could be like wave 1 and then ABC2, and then wave 3 is going up, then would be like a 4 and 5 into this area. So what happened to this chart? Then you see that same way on a 4 hour chart, regular chart, I made the chart here. Why? Is it went up there where my expected wave 3 was, and then it dropped. So when it dropped, it made wave 4. So this is, you see this TL here, it came and hit the TL. So I said, okay, this is the chart I made on the 22nd saying that this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4 completed, and we're going to go for wave 5 around same target, 78% or 23% line of this fib, 61, 23. Remember in the beginning I made the chart? And that was 161. It's not mentioned here, but it's mentioned on my Renko chart. So I made the Renko chart as well, 1,000 box size, showing the same thing on this chart. So you see, it's like wave 1, 2, 3, 4 is completed, and this is the target, 161 again, 33.65, and 161% for wave 3. Wave 5 will end, and then wave 3 will end here, and then 78% is also there, 33.68. So what happened to this chart? This what happened on Friday. So we went there and we touched exactly the same target I mentioned. 161 around 33, 65, 66. Fib is, up and down a little bit. But yeah, 78% is right there. 6 FE, Fib expansion, 61% reached the target. So is this wave 3 finished? Most likely. So this is like wave 1, 2, and wave 3. If that's the case, then wave 4 usually come into the territory of last wave 4. So, and then this is wave 3 from here to here. So the wave 4 would be 38% of this, right? Whole rise, 38%, which will come into this wave 4 area anyway. And it will be in 3 waves. Why? Because this wave 2 is a very steep drop, right? So the rule of alternation requires that if this is kind of like wave 2, a very steep drop, fast, then wave 4 usually come like a flat. A equal B equal C. 3 waves, but it's going to be like A, B, C. Something like that. So blue count wave 3 will be coming soon. And we will start that if, by the way, if wave 3 is ended here. Now, what happened on Friday? Trump start to wave his magic wand, remember? Right? So he came after Apple and then European Union, right? So 50% there, I don't know, maybe 50% on both, I guess, right? He put the tariff on. So what happened? The market started to go, cuckoo head, right? And that's exactly what happened. Boom, up, down, up, down. Nasdaq also, moving fiercely. And then this is what happened. So, this came into my advantage basically, and this we rise from here and hit the target, right? So maybe this is end of it for some reason, whatever. That kept, Elliott wave wise, they should end here. But this, like I said, that the wave can be extended, right? So maybe it will get extended because of this, what happened on Friday, tariff-wise, and then it may go up. But for now, I will be expecting a drop from here, right? So, like I said, the theory wise that Elliott wave wise that wave 1, 2, and 3, the target is reached, or it could be A, B, C followed by a big wave, next wave 1, and then 2, and big huge wave 3 to the downside. Is that going to happen? Is everybody wants to sell gold that furiously? No, I don't think so. So what is going to happen? Time will tell. But this wave 3, I think, in my opinion, it's ended here, and it's going to drop. Right. So I made the chart, and let me show you. But by the way, let me show you what is the purpose of me doing all this mumbo jumbo? To open the trades, to get some trades, to make the entries, and then get the trades and make some money. So where the heck those trades are? What did I do? So let me show you the trades I took based on the first chart I made on 14th, May 14th, and starting from here. So it was okay. Let me show you first what really happened to my chart. So this was the chart, and you can see a trade was there, right? Coming down though, actually, that was. But this chart ended up like this finally on last Friday. And the other version on a 4-hour chart was this, right? Starting from here, need to go to 23% line. And you see, this is what happened. Gold 4-hour chart. Starting from here, 23% line hit. So that's the game over, right? Here for waves, ABC correction, or it's a bad pattern, but forget about that for now. So now, Elliott wave 3 is ended here, right? So like I said, that what is the purpose? Taking the trade. So first trade was this on the 18th May. There was a couple of more, but I lost the chart, so forget about them. What I'll just show whatever I have. So this was the entry here. Basically, I closed on 18, but you can see here the May 16, right? So the entry was here, and look how much is it? 730. And then this is on the 20th. Again, the entry was from here, and buy orders right there, 270. Then here, 500, entry is here. You can see buy orders there on the 20th, going all the way to 500 pip here. Then on the 21st, this was I just showed you that one was closed here, and then after this one, 240 more. Here again on the 21st, that is done, and then from 200 buck size, this is for 265 more. on the 21st. And then this is on the 23rd, 290 pip more from here to here. All these based on that one stupid chart, right? And let me see. This is another one on the 23rd, two. That one and then this one, 140. So you can count all of these, right? I had some stop loss hit, no problem. That that happens, but small, very small. You know my strategy that if I make the entry here, my stop loss is always here, right there, just below that. So it is very minimal, right? And when the trade is good, then I let it go because I know where the heck it's going. So that makes a big trade, right? So trade like this, trade like this, trade like 500 pip here from 500 buck size, right? So this is how it is. So if you want to learn all of this, right? The purpose to show is that if you want to get my system and learn all these mumbo jumbo, the Elliott wave, the harmonic pattern. By the way, the harmonic pattern, how they work, let me just show you briefly that this is NASDAQ 4-hour chart, right? So I've made a couple of pattern here, this red one and then this blue one, right? So I made the chart which on the 24th April, and today is 24th May, by the way. So what really happened from there till now? These two patterns, right? And as well as the Elliott wave is not mentioned here, but I was counting the Elliott wave. This is wave 1, 2, and we go for wave 3. So what happened to this chart? These are two patterns, the red one and the blue one, right? So let me show you exactly. Red one is completed here, then price right there, and then it went up and then hit this blue one completed here already, right? But if it is wave 1 and 2, just like gold, if it is going for wave 3, then we're going to bounce from this TL. You can see how nicely it is sitting on the TL right now, right? And for any reason, if here comes Monday and the market opens up and it start to move, it very good chance that it may go up there. And a good chance also that bad patterns start to play out and then it drop. Right? So it all depends on if Trump comes and start waving his tariff. Like I said, next is Samsung, right? So, so yeah, maybe not, right? So if that Samsung comes into play, and we're gonna drop, right? And if he comes out, oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, I talked to them, and they said, well, they're gonna do this, they're gonna do that. So I might drop the tariff for 20, from 50 to 25. Boom, we're gonna go to the upside. So a lot can happen, right? But what I cover basically is technical, right? So if you learn all of this mumbo jumbo, at least you know exactly what is happening and if it's gonna drop, where it's gonna go, and how you can get in, and if it's gonna go up, where the heck it's gonna go, and from where, and what is making, what kind of pattern, what Elliott wave, So if you want to learn personally through me, then you can go on my website and sign up for one-on-one, which I have a couple of spots open. And if you want to learn through the videos, so the video courses for harmonic pattern and Elliott wave, they are here. Now the trades I take, I use my EA robot, which is CTS 6, which opens the trade once you put it on the chart. When the setup is available with all four conditions in place at the same time, it opens the trade for you and it plays the SL and it plays the TP, whatever the TP you set, whatever the SL you set. I always, on Forex pairs, I always put the 25 pip hard SL. It's always there like that, right? And gold, the Nasdaq has different SL, but the target based on the daily range calculation, right? So in one-on-one, I teach every single thing that how to set up these charts and this and that. I give you the chart, indicator, and to open these charts and robot. By the way, CTS 5, 6, CTS 6 robot, I'm making it available in the monthly subscription as well. But it is not, it will not be given away. It will be open for you in your MT4, right? So as long as the subscription is going on and you can use it, and it will work perfectly, right? So this is it for now. Like I said, go on my website here, and you have courses here. You have one-on-one here. You can check all the trades, recent trades right there, and before and after charts. By the way, all these. I'm going to make the video, a separate video about all the trades taken. But they are on my website here in the recent trade. What the heck happened? Why it's not moving? My website. Okay, here. So not too many trades because May is slow month, and then June, July is completely dead. Not completely dead, but it's going to be slow, and it's a very good time for learning, right? So vacation, schools are closed in holiday time, then you can get these courses or one-on-one and learn and master this market and do what I'm now. Look at this, the USD CAD 105 pips, pound yen, all of these trades from last week. You see, pound yen 70, gold. This is what it is, and there was a Euro USD too. Where the heck is that? Oh, I forgot to put on. I think. No, this is Euro Aussie. Anyway, so all of these trades are there, right? And also you can see my before and after chart of what really happened. For example, here you see this. This is gold. This chart, I made this one and then finally hit the target. And this is Euro USD. I made this last Saturday that we're gonna go and hit this area. We are very close to that. Pound USD is supposed to go up here. We already went there. 32.05 was the target right there, and we hit the target already in pound USD. CAD yen, there was a harmonic pattern butterfly, called Bibu, bearish butterfly, and then look what the results are, right? From this to this, all the way down here. And this is the chart I just showed you in gold, and all of these. So yeah, so this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you that what the gold is doing right now. Currently, this is this version. This is the other version is here on the target, and I made the new chart already for the next week. Then, if we are going to drop, how are we going to drop, where are we going to drop, how much we're going to drop, right? So if you want to get the chart and then learn what's going to do, what gold is going to do, then go ahead and sign up, right? So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a very, very good, wonderful weekend.